guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a how to customize a Hot Wheel car video. We are doing it on this, I think it's a 1957 Dodge Swept Side. And I'm going to show you how to customize and the finished product while I'm doing it. So here I have some examples that I've done, like this rally car. Just finished this last night. And then I have this custom 1967 Ford Mustang that I painted. It was not as cool as that when I first got it, but that's something. This thing used to be plain silver. Customized it, now it's this. So basically, you will need your Hot Wheel that you're customizing. Tape if you want. I would use tape right now, but I just can't get it. I can't get like the thing off, so I can't get another little thing. So I'm not gonna try because you can always just repaint the tires anyway. And then you're going to need and then you need sandpaper or a rock. Rocks work to scuff up the paint, so your paint has something to stick to. Rock sandpaper works fine. Scissors for tape if you don't have a thingy. And you're also going to need your favorite set of paint markers. In this case, mine are Posca. And yeah, so basically, I'm going to do something very simple with this. I'm going to make it a nice blue. My papa has a old Ford that he built just from the frame. And he is, and it's nice blue and white, so I'm going to try to, and I like those colors together as like an old vehicle, so I think that'll look good. So we're going to take our sandpaper or rock, and we're just going to run it across the truck, just like this. And do not go on the wheels, like this. No wheels. Scratches them up, and you don't want to do that to your vehicle, so don't just like set it in a thing of sandpaper and go like this, so the wheels will all get scuffed. Unless if you take off the whole body with like I think it's a 4, for Hot Wheels, it's a 4mm drill bit. This one, I think for Matchbox, I'm pretty sure it's the same. Then you could just do it like that, but this is just like easy, beginner friendly how to. Just gonna kind of scuff it up like this. I've already done this, so I'm not gonna bore you too much with that. So you got that, and then now we are going to take our marker, our color of choice, and our favorite paint marker. You can use spray paint, but as beginners, you don't necessarily want to do much spray paint, because then you have to do a bunch of, like whatever it's called, you have to do like tape if you want to do details. And sometimes it gets confusing where to put the tape, so yeah. So I'm gonna do some blue. It will show up. It might show up better than when it dries, but that's okay. Because that's why you do sometimes you don't need to. Most of the time you're gonna need to do a second, third coat. Sometimes colors, like when I did an orange, when I tried to do an orange on this car, it just would not show up, so I said I'm gonna do black and blue details, so that's definitely something that turned out much better. Again, I don't know how would it turned out, but I'm finished with the top of the hood. And then you're basically just going to continue coloring and coloring, so you get the whole thing done. And you can get all the materials I'm using on Amazon, or I'm pretty sure at Target. I'm pretty sure Walmart too. Posca's on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure at Target and Walmart. I think it's also the scissors and Hot Wheels, they're just pretty much everywhere. Kroger, Definitely don't use Crayola or Crazy Art, like any washable marker. It's not gonna show up as well, and it's just not gonna work. If you have a way to make it work, do that. Whatever works best for you, but yeah. Basically what I'm calling is I'm just gonna give you guys questions and stuff. So as you see, I'm kind of going in with that, and try not to edit this one, so I don't have to do a bunch of iPad storage stuff. So yeah. Basically, channel, it's doing okay. I really want to get to 20 subs. It'll be a 20 sub special video. Please subscribe. I have a bunch of other content plans coming out soon. If you guys want to see more parkour content, please let me know. I'd love to do more. I'm going to do a parkour content video just to get you guys back into the groove of it, and then see if you guys like it. And if it gets over like 5 views, I'd say I'm going to keep posting so I can make them better. If it's like the BMX video, the mountain bike video, then it's going to be like meh, probably not going to do it again. But honestly, channel's been doing pretty good. I've been doing pretty good. But basically, when you're done with this, you're just going. I'm not going to completely customize it, but I will do an after for the thumbnail. But basically, color it and then add detail. That's pretty much all you need to do. And yeah, you can even add like custom like bed cover, parachute, wheelie bars, bunch of stuff. But other than that, that's it for today. Finish this in the thumbnail, and bye.